You and I have a rendezvous with destiny. We'll preserve for our children this, the last best hope of man on earth, or we'll sentence them to take the last step into 1,000 years of darkness.
Pope John Paul II is a dagger aimed right at the throat of the Soviet Union.
A desperate time.
Other American presidents tried to figure out how to manage the Cold War. Reagan wanted to win the Cold War.
A world divided by superpowers.
When a government abuses the rights of its own people, it is a grim indication of its willingness to commit violence against others.
The real big battle of the 20th century was between the forces of good versus the forces of evil.
Two boys raised during violent times who would become a president and a pope.
Do not be afraid. Do not be afraid.